Today we'll be transforming artificial houseplants into flora from Pandora, like those found in the Avatar movies and at Disney's Animal Kingdom in Florida.
If you've ever been to Pandora on screen or in person at the parks and have been mesmerized by those glowing plants, we think we have the perfect project for you.
After seeing Avatar: The Way of Water, we think this is the perfect way to bring some of the magic from Pandora back to the land of the sky people.
All you're going to need are a few artificial plants, some glow-in-the-dark paints, and supplies. Are you up for this challenge?
I think so, and like the Na'vi say, si va ko. Bioluminescence, like what you see in Avatar, is the production and biochemical emission of light in living organisms.
Bioluminescence does exist here on Earth, but it's quite a bit different than what you actually see in the movies and at the theme park. To get the effect that they did, Disney Imagineers sculpted different plants and brought bioluminescence to really alien-looking plants at the park.
We learned on the Disney Imagination blog that the Imagineers also took those plants that they made and they put them together with real plants to make them look more realistic in real life.
By night, the beautiful landscapes evolve as the bioluminescent flora and fauna come to life.
And you don't even have to wait until nighttime to see that. You can board the Na'vi River journey where you'll get on a boat and then you'll be transported into the Avatar world where you see the plants and animals glowing at night.
We've got a lot of boring artificial plants around the house, so we'll gather those and see how we can bring some bioluminescence to those. We've also got some ideas to bring some of that glow to natural plants as well. This will be a fun project. Let's go gather those plants and paints and we'll be right back.
Awesome.
That's a big one. Hello. Hello, can you see me? Let's put this behind us.
Let's put it behind me for now. It's blocking my face. But I will be painting that one.
We've assembled a bunch of plants from around the house.
These are all artificial plants.
Good to point out, this probably won't work with a real plant. So.
Yeah, and who knows what paint would do to it as well, so probably better to stick with artificial ones.
We're hoping that we can do bioluminescence so they continue to look cool during the day.
Yeah, we want it to look like it could be an actual alien plant and look really beautiful, but then glow at night.
Something nice about watching Avatar is everything does seem very familiar.
We're mostly going to add just little accents and things here and there, so that way it makes it more bioluminescent and look more like a plant you'd find on Pandora.
There's a lot of things like little dots, like subtle dots that appear on the edges of leaves. Very simple stripes that just go along the edge of the leaf. Nothing too extreme.
Yeah, and it really looks awesome when it's all put together and glowing at night, so I'm excited.
All of these glow-in-the-dark paints are just from the local store. And then we have some normal paints, just in case we want to add a little more earthiness or realism to it. These would probably be good to dry brush on after you've done the glow-in-the-dark paints to make it look more natural. Where do you want to start? Where do you want to start?
I'm going to start with one that I think might be a little easier. I might go with this one first, just because I'm nervous.
I think this one's really the one that caught my eye.
That is cool.
Like,
that one already looks almost a little alien.
And I think I'll leave all of this untouched.
You'll leave?
I'll leave all of this untouched. I'll leave the greenery probably untouched. Maybe I'll dry brush those with some green.
Yeah.
And then I'll do something bright up here on the top.
Cool.
I'm gonna wear gloves. Do you want some gloves?
Yes, please.
Look at these.
Those are way cool.
I don't know what I was thinking when I bought them.
It's cool. If you look at them really closely, you can see they have like little circular seeds around like the outside of the circle. But those will be really cool looking, and they already look like an alien plant. Those are gonna look cool once they're glowing as well.
These are pieces that we'd probably put inside of a real plant. Looks like it comes straight from Dr. Seuss.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a Dr. Seuss plant for sure. I'm thinking I want to do orange for this one. And I'm gonna do like lines up the middle of the leaf on all of these.
This looks like a close-up of a mascara commercial. This looks good.
I'm actually changing tactics a little bit.
Okay.
I'm actually painting the entire leaf with the orange, but kind of doing a lighter coat so the green still comes through. And that way when the orange dries, you'll just get streaks of orange over the green, and hopefully it'll glow pretty well. Oh, that's cool.
Getting a little bit on the flowers, but I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. We're not even using actual black lights. These are just LED Wi-Fi lights that you can choose your color. And we've just set them to a bluish purple. And you get that same effect with this paint.
Yeah, it looks really cool already.
Wow, this is so awesome. It would be fun to paint like Vinylmation, old Vinylmations or Funko Pops.
Oh, that would be cool too.
Add a little Navi twist to your Funko Pops. There is also glow-in-the-dark spray paint available. That might be a quicker, easier way to paint a lot of flowers like this. You can maybe even pop the flowers off, spray paint the greenery, and then pop the flowers back on after you've painted those. Or are you going for the edges of the leaves?
Yeah, I'm doing one side this green color just to kind of give it a little more realistic look, and then on the other side I'm going to do probably like a glowing green maybe.
It kind of has that watermelon rind look to it.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
That's kind of what I'm going for.
So I'm just lightly coating the green leaves just to add a little bit of a glow green to them.
Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.
My favorite out of all this was spreading the green through this lavender plant.
It looks really cool. That was a smart way to spread it with your gloves too.
It felt like finger painting.
Yeah, and it worked really well. It dispersed it like perfect.
Well, you got some like yellow spots.
Yeah.
That's
I was just
cool.
kind of using my leftover paint in it, honestly.
So the idea is find little ways to spruce up your natural like living plants around the house. Take some of the others on the shelf and kind of take them to another level.
Or if someone you're courting really likes the movie Avatar, you can make an Avatar bouquet for them with flowers from Pandora.
Let's let them dry and then we'll do a little turntable footage.
Let's roll that foliage footage. Gotta think of more plant puns. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. We really enjoyed making these bioluminescent plants from Pandora. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel. Also, please ring that bell down below because then you'll be notified when we post a new video each week.
Also, check out our website, replicatethemagic.com. We post about all our projects over there, and anytime we do a food video, we post a recipe. So check it out. There's a new video that comes out weekly, so that site's always changing as well. Even more important is what Sean was saying. Please subscribe. We're trying to build up a fan base, and we hope that you could join us. We have a lot of fun, and we really enjoyed making this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you again next time.
Thanks everyone.
Thanks. Goodbye.